How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our Raptor-X TIR visor light bar. So when you get your unit out of the box, you'll have your light go into your cable harness here, and you'll have a connector. And this is to be used with our optional dual memory Cig plug, or you can cut this off and hardwire if you'd like to. Now with our dual memory Cig plug, you'll have power mode 1 and power mode 2 with your flash pattern toggle switch here. So let's go ahead and go over the functions. So here I'm using my optional dual memory Cig plug. So in power mode 1 I have a flash pattern saved, and then in power mode 2 I have another flash pattern saved. So I have dual flash pattern memory, and in each power mode I can use my flash pattern toggle switch to change flash patterns, and I can use my optional Cig plug, or I can hardwire if I'd like to. Now I brought a red-blue unit here for example, but we offer amber, red, blue, green, and clear color options in solid, half-half, and alternating, so let's go over a couple of those. So here I brought a green-clear alternating color setup. In the middle I have an amber solid color setup, and up front I have a red-blue half-half color setup. So we do offer all of these models in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in alternating, solid, or half-half, and we have our customization tool if you do need a custom color setup for your vehicle. And you'll notice all of my units are on different flash patterns, but all of these units will come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them, plus dual memory. When it comes to mounting your light bar, you'll get your included universal mounting brackets, and those will attach via the back track of your visor bar. And then you'll have your bottom screw holes here if you need to use the base mounting brackets. And we also offer optional vehicle specific mounting brackets and our optional windshield visor extender. So that covers our Raptor-X TIR visor light bar. Make sure to watch the flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with this unit, and also use our interactive player to fully demo your lights online. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.